To unblock an agent panel, the account first needs to be in a blocked state. This typically happens when an agent repeatedly enters an incorrect password. For example, if I enter the wrong password once, and then twice, the system tracks these failures. After 3 attempts, a notice appears suggesting you reset your password. If you still don't use the reset option and fail one last time, the system will provide a final warning. Attempting to log in again with the wrong credentials will result in a temporary block. Once blocked, you have 2 choices: contact your admin for a reset, or take control yourself. By clicking Forgot Password and entering your login ID, you can initiate a self-reset. Now, enter your registered login ID and hit Next. You'll need to wait a moment for the system to generate a unique 6-digit code and send it directly to your registered email and mobile number. You'll receive a 6-digit verification code in your registered email. Simply enter the code, here it's 186781, and click Verify Account to proceed. Now, create and confirm your new secure password to continue access. After hitting Submit, your account is instantly unblocked, and you can log back into the AceX dashboard. This process ensures that even if you face multiple login failures, you always have a secure way to recover your access. Whether you choose to reset it yourself or reach out to your admin for help, getting back to your work is quick and easy. You're now ready to resume your tasks. Thanks for watching.